Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And can the Bikenda non-invasive glucose meter really take your blood sugar without a single drop of blood? Let's find out if it's legit or scam in 2025. Bikenda claims to use infrared light technology to measure blood glucose levels without pricking your skin. Just place your finger on the sensor and boom, instant reading. Sound futuristic, right? But here you have to continue on this video to know if it's work or not. So does it actually work? Here's the issue. Real world accuracy is inconsistent. Early user reviews says that the readings vary a lot, especially when compared to standard blood glucose meter, and there's no FDA or CE approval listed publicly. Is it scientific or it is science or gimmick? Non-invasive glucose tech is still experimental. Even give you even if you the big medical brands have not nailed it yet. Bikenda doesn't share clinical data or who the manufacturers really are. That's a red flag. Now let's talk about the price and returns. The meter costs around $100 to $200 depending on where you buy it, and some users report no refund option, poor customer service, and no warranty clarity. Here is the final verdict for you. Bikenda's non-invasive glucose meter is not a proven medical device. It's best viewed as a gadget, not a replacement for FDA-approved glucometer. If you are diabetic, you're diabetic, don't risk your health on this. So seen better take or had experience with Bikenda? Drop a comment, like and subscribe for more honest health tech reviews.